Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update the batteries drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type device manager. As you can see on the top here, click on device manager, expand the window. Now in the left panel you have to look for batteries. As you can see a lab batteries, double click on it. Now you can see there are two options. You have to check for update drivers for both of them. So I will start from first. Right click on it. Now go to update driver. Now click on here, search automatically for drivers. Now as you can see here, my battery is up to date. Cancel this. Now check for another options, Microsoft SCPI. Go to update driver and now look for search automatically for drivers. As you can see here, my battery driver is already installed. Now close this window. Now again go to search bar and type settings, open settings. Now go to home. Now in the right panel on the top here you can see your option Windows Update. You have to click on it. Now again you have to check for updates. Now it will take a few minutes for checking your latest update on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. You can check the driver for any update from here. It will show all the updates for various drivers on your PC as well as laptop in just a few minutes. Now it's taking some time. As you can see here, my laptop Windows 11 is up to date. You can check your PC as well as your laptop, and I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.